Okay, so a little bit more about functions. Let's try to make this as simple as possible. Here is the actual program. See, main, and this is the whole program. Forward, right, forward, left, and then print on the screen end. So this is just these 4 lines are going to allow you to sort of start a maze, or drive around and try to get the things. By easily changing these functions, whatever right turn is and left turn is and forward is, you can include a lot of code in a very short period of time. So let's look. Forward, what is that? At the top of the program, remember we want to have a function, we say void, and I called it FW, open close parentheses, and then here are my brackets, and inside the brackets I write the function. And what we're doing is, first we're clearing the screen. You can play around with why that ends up being important. Then, because this is forward, we want to show on the screen that it is forward, so we print that. We have drive forward, like you've seen. Fine. There's void forward. If we want to do all of this, all we need to do down in our program is that FW. Fine. Then here's our right turn. Void right T open close. Remember, you can call this pretty much anything, although don't call it right, because right is something that's already used in the programming language itself. So we, sometimes it's going to show up red and tell us don't use that, but otherwise, whatever you name it here, you just have to then, in your main program, call it the same thing. And it's, in this case, I call it right T. So then it's just right T, open close parentheses, semicolon, and it does all this code. And you can see the rest of it is forward again, and then left turn again. This program in 4 lines should go forward, make a right turn, forward again, make a left turn. If you wanted to complete a maze or a square, something like that, you could use these functions to A, do it faster, and B, make it easier to fix things by changing it up in the function instead of having to change it again and again and again down in your main program. Really, really important concept.